Welcome to this Shoutem tutorial where we are orientating ourselves within the main dashboard for the Shoutem app building platform. So once you've gone through the initial setup and you've chosen your app and then you've registered and created your account, you'll be taken through to this page, and this is where all of the work will be done. So just a few things here to point out initially. They do have a drop down here, which is support and contact us. So if you need support at any time or you want to contact somebody, that is easy to do. All of your main account functions are here. So if I click on my account, I can see here that I'm on their trial, their 14-day free trial. I don't yet have a subscription. And it tells me the status in terms of billing and invoices, etc., etc. If I want to get rid of that, I just click the X there and it'll take me back to the dashboard. At the top here, now, if you looked at the earlier tutorials, you'll see, we created an events app. This is quite interesting in the sense that if you click My Applications, I'll see my events app here, which is the dashboard I've just been on, but I can also create new apps. So there are multiple draft apps you can create using the tool, but of course for the time being we're on the events app, so I'll go back to the events app. Now the other really useful thing within Shoutem is this tips box here, and if you are new to building an app, it's like any piece of new software. You need to get used to it. You need to orientate yourself around it. And it really is worth going through these steps. So you can just introduce yourself to the platform. And it will take a few minutes to go through, but it really is worth doing if you're serious about building an app. So here, it will tell me that this is the main navigation bar. These are the screens for the app. This is options for in terms of layout and icons and navigation, but this is the main working area for the app. So I get all of this information by going through these tutorials. So you'll see, there are there are 8 different tutorials here to go through. And like I say, if you are serious about building an app, they are worth looking at. So the other thing to bear in mind is, apart from tips, you've also got help here. And there are lots of Shoutem tutorials, and they will take you through all of the issues in terms of building an app. We're going to go through a lot of these ourselves, and look and try and supplement, what Shoutem have provided with additional information from a newcomer's perspective. So yes, catch up with us in video.